Today I'm going to share with you a simple and healthy breakfast recipe. Simple veg upma. And if you like that soft and fluffy texture, this recipe is for you. Let's take a look at the ingredients first. We need 2 cups of Upma Rava or Semolina, 4 tablespoons of chopped carrots, 3 tablespoons of chopped French green beans, 3 tablespoons of chopped onions, 3 tablespoons of corn, 3 tablespoons of peas, 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger, 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves, 8 to 10 curry leaves, 2 to 3 chopped green chillies, 1.5 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut, 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, 2 dried red chillies, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of peanuts, 1 tablespoon of cashew nuts, 1/4 teaspoon of powdered black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of Hing or Asafoetida, 2 tablespoons of ghee and salt to taste. So gather all the veggies that you have and let's get started. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to a pan set on medium heat. Add peanuts and cashew nuts. We are going to stir fry them for just a minute or so till they turn aromatic. Hey, if you like my recipes, do subscribe to my channel. The peanuts and the cashew nuts are darker and aromatic, and now let's set that aside. Next, we are going to add 1 tablespoon ghee to the same pan. We are going to roast the semolina for approximately 6 to 7 minutes. You will find that the semolina turns to almost like a pinkish brown and it smells really aromatic. Make sure to keep stirring to avoid the semolina from burning. Next, add 2 tablespoons oil to the same pan. Add cumin seeds, mustard seeds, dried red chillies. I always like to break it because I like it hotter, but you don't have to do it. Add hing and curry leaves. I like to tear the curry leaves and add it too for more flavor. We'll give that a quick stir and we are going to get ready to add chopped onions. Let's stir fry the onions till they turn translucent, and we are going to add half a teaspoon of salt to that to make that process faster. Next, we'll add crushed ginger and we'll give that a quick stir. Next, we are going to add in the carrots, the French green beans and the green chillies. If you're using fresh corn and fresh peas instead of frozen, you can add that in also along with the carrots. Since I'm using frozen corn and frozen peas, I added it towards the end because those are already parboiled. Next, I'm going to add 5 cups of water, and I measured the water using the same cup that I used to measure semolina. To the water, we'll add pepper, grated coconut, that gives a wonderful texture to the upma, fresh lime juice, and we'll give that a good stir. And next, we'll add salt to taste. Actually, more than to taste, meaning that the water has to be slightly salty because a lot of semolina is going to be added to it. So make sure that it tastes like seawater, just like when you cook biryani. Next, we are going to add the roasted semolina by stirring continuously so that it doesn't clump. Make sure to lower the heat and keep stirring until all the water is absorbed. Hey, if you're liking this recipe, give me a thumbs up. Okay, see, this upma is looking pasty right now, but slowly all the water is going to be absorbed. Add the remaining 1 tablespoon of ghee and keep stirring until all the water dries up. If you prefer the texture to be more pasty, add 6 cups of water instead of 5, and don't stir it too long. You can turn off the heat when it looks pasty. Next, we want to garnish with our fried peanuts and cashew nuts. And I'm going to continue to stir the upma and break it up and punch it till it turns nice and fluffy and airy. Next, let's garnish with coriander leaves and we're done. Your healthy breakfast is ready. Okay, one quick tip for you. If your upma is dry and you want to add more water to it towards the end of the cooking, make sure that the water is boiling hot. If the water is cold, the semolina absorbs that cold water and it just tastes bland. But with hot water, the taste doesn't alter so much. I tried that. That's all for today, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you're on any of these different social media sites, I'm going to be waiting to say hello. And if you like written recipes more than videos, you can always visit my blog. All the links are in the description. If you haven't already, do check out some of the recipes on my channel, and if you like them, consider subscribing. I post exciting recipes every week, and don't forget to press that notification bell. Alright then, see you next week. Bye-bye.